Bullish Chiliz cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 39 cents and 74 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept CHZ could reach 30 cents by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is 7 cents. Chiliz presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and president of Chiliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Before sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chillapoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the customary games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ token. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz? The Chiliz stage was made fully intent on furnishing fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers awards for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is presently utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to partake in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. The worth of the Chiliz coin is gotten from its utility for the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Also, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Chiliz is right now worth 8 cents USD. CHZ has moved 3.18% as of now with an exchanging volume of $39,490,068. Chiliz is right now positioned 66 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $611,952,006 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Chiliz market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Chiliz value expectation 2023. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The CHZ cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 13 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 12 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of 10 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Chiliz CHZ cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform 21 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the CHZ's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 17 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 19 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2025 in the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 30 cents and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 28 cents and a low of 26 cents in 2025. Chiliz value expectation 2026 assuming that Chiliz effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados. The CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 39 cents, with a base cost of 35 cents and a typical cost of 36 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 45 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 43 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of 48 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 54 cents. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 57 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 52 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 61 cents and a yearly cost close above 65 cents in 2029. Chiliz value forecast 2030. By 2030, Chiliz will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 70 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 74 cents, averaging out at 72 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme CHZ cost in 2031 is projected to be 86 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 82 cents. And generally, we think Chiliz is an extremely encouraging undertaking with a great deal of possibilities. The group has proactively gained critical headway in developing its organizations, and presently they simply have to keep chipping away at working on the real crypto token itself. Assuming they prevail with regards to doing as such, we accept that CHZ could become one of the top tokens in the space. What is the Chiliz cost today? Today, Chiliz is exchanging at 8 cents with a complete market capitalization of $611,952,006. Is Chiliz a wise speculation? Chiliz ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that CHZ is a decent decision of venture. How high might Chiliz at any point go? The typical cost of Chiliz might conceivably reach 12 cents this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Chiliz might outperform 57 cents. What amount will Chiliz be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising fame of cryptographic money and Chiliz, a drawn-out interest in CHZ could see the value ascend to 57 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Chiliz be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Chiliz today, likewise with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of CHZ might actually